Yes, ready, start. Honorable members, the world community supports India's position on various issues such as climate change, economic and cyber crime, action against corruption and black money, and energy security. Today, the whole world stands with India on the issue of terrorism. Designation of Masood Azhar, responsible for dastardly terrorist attacks on our soil, as a global terrorist by United Nations is a major testimony to this fact. My government's neighborhood first policy is an evidence of our approach of according priority to South Asia and countries in the adjoining region. India will play a crucial role in the progress of this region. Accordingly, trade connectivity and people to people contact are being encouraged in this region. My government is also conscious of protecting the interests of Indians living and working abroad. Today, an Indian, if caught in any crisis abroad, is confident of receiving timely help and relief. Several services ranging from passports to visas have been made easy and accessible due to the efforts of my government. India's philosophy, culture, and achievements have got a distinct recognition at the global stage. This year, the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, which is being celebrated world over, will provide a flip to India's thought leadership. Similarly, programs related to the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji will help spread to light of India's spiritual wisdom throughout the world. New India will be sensitive and also economically prosperous. But for this to happen, nation's security is of utmost importance. My government accords topmost priority to national security. Therefore, effective steps are being taken to tackle terrorism and Naxalism. India has amply demonstrated both her intent and capabilities, first through surgical strikes and then through air strikes after the Pulwama attack at terrorist hideouts across the border. In future too, all possible steps will be taken to ensure our security. Illegal infiltrators pose a major threat to our internal security. This is leading to social imbalance in many parts of the country, as well as putting a huge pressure on limited livelihood opportunities. My government has decided to implement the process of national register of citizens on priority basis in areas affected by infiltration. Security along the border will be further strengthened to prevent infiltration. While on the one hand, government is working to identify the infiltrators, on the other, it is also fully committed to protecting the victims of prosecution due to their faith in this regard. Efforts will be made to amend the Citizenship Act while protecting the linguistic, cultural, and social identities. My government is making efforts with complete dedication in this direction for future stop.